Hello, hello. So we're gonna wait a bit, as usual. Coucou, see you. How are you doing?
Mute. Unmute.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah, all good now.
Nice. What a setup. Really cool one. I like it. We don't have the same setup.
Hey, Rosia. Nice mask.
We're gonna wait then 5 minutes before starting. So, yes, you wanted to do a couple of tests, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Great. You can do that.
Yeah. So, okay, cool. It's not mirrored. So the main thing that sometimes different apps mirror video.
It's mirror, actually.
It was mirrored
Yeah,
on your side.
yeah.
So you can't read it, right? So it's mirrored.
Oh, we can read it.
Okay.
Not at
So
this
this
point.
is this is the main thing I need to test. So let me flip it.
Okay, okay. Hi, Marina.
Hey, hey, hey.
What are you doing?
All good, all good. Back from my vacation.
Ah, yeah. Great.
So getting back to speed.
Yeah.
Cool. Now it works, right? So now we can read.
Yes, exactly.
Nice. Okay, we fixed
Yeah.
that. Hey, Marina.
Hello, hello.
Tuk, tuk, tuk. Up, up, up. Okay. So, yeah, we can start in 3 minutes. Or as you want, if you want to wait more. Up to you. Tuk, tuk, tuk.
Maybe let's wait a couple of minutes more.
Yes, oula. It's thing on your side.
Yeah, I have construction happening at home.
Yeah, okay, got it. All right. On my side, I just came back home. I was in weekend. I mean, weekend until Wednesday. Took. Okay. In August, even into community call, we can feel it that it's August. So most of people are coming back in September. So yeah, on our side, we are starting bootcamp from September. We were not running anything during this summer, um, because we were building all the infrastructure, also taking care of those who are part of the accelerator. Are you doing anything about accelerator? on your side, like with Logos?
I'm sure
Which,
Marina should know better.
sorry? Which accelerator?
Yes, like you are doing things. I mean, you have your own accelerator or something like this.
We have something which calls L Prizes, which is sort of like a grant program.
Oh,
We are not doing accelerator, but we most probably will be doing something like build a residency around DevConnect in India. It's still not 100% confirmed, but 95% it's gonna be happening together with Zoograma. So as soon as it gets confirmed, we will share details with you. Like we would really appreciate if you can maybe share with your community as well. So we'll be selecting around 25 people
Hmm?
to come over and build with us for 2 weeks or so.
Oh, it's before DevCon or after DevCon?
Yeah, yeah, before the DevCon
Okay.
at Goa in like
Ah,
really beautiful
it's HCT?
natural area.
Is it with HCT?
No, it's another one. It's with Zoograma. They also
Yeah,
quite
I know them.
well known for the
Okay.
bootcamp they were doing before for Ethereum, and now it's like a separate thing.
Okay, nice. On our side, we have a residency, but during DevCon, and also we have our own space. The last day of DevCon, like 6K square meter
Oh wow, nice, nice.
for us. And we are also taking care of the agentic hub. So yeah, we will be plenty active during DevCon.
Nice, nice. So I hope we meet there.
So it's more communities that you're gonna meet. Me, I will not come. I won't be there. I will be at a pop-up city in Brazil.
That's also a great plan.
Yeah, nice. I think we can start, maybe.
Yeah, why not?
Feel free to
Let's
write.
start. Let's start. Okay.
Hi, everyone. It's August.
Okay, okay. So let's start. So my name is Alisher. I ecosystem developer in Logos, and I'm here to talk about Logos nodes and Logos blockchain and overall about what Logos is. I will share my slides and we can start. So legal team asked me to add this disclaimer, so you can read it maybe. But if you're watching it in recording, you can press pause and read it.
Okay.
Okay. Running a Logos node. A couple words about me. So I worked in big tech in Russia for quite a long time. Then I got disillusioned and switched to something else. I worked with in genetic. I worked in telemedicine, and then I switched to crypto. And here I am, 5 years in status in Keycard and couple months in Logos. So what we will talk about it today: what Logos is, why run a node, what is Basecamp, and how to install it, how to start and sync and fund and maintain your own beautiful Logos node. If you are into AI and you don't like to type commands and to press buttons and you can just offload it to your AI agent. I need to tell that it's not official Logos approach. It's something I made for myself because as ecosystem developer, I dog food a lot, and sometimes I like deploy dozens of nodes and test them. So doing it all manually just takes a lot of time. And we will talk about testnet tokens, how to fund your node, and how to see a balance, and how rewards work on testnet. But let's start about Logos. So to better understand what Logos is, I propose you to look into these three cornerstones. So idea of Logos, the movement, people, and the stack. So idea is build the parallel. Centralized infrastructure means surveillance, control, and no freedom to change any of it. So this is quite simple words, but I think anyone have some feelings connected to them, and your background can be different, but we all understand what it means, right? And from my experience and from experience of my peers, and from the history we observe, protest and petition do not work, and that's why we have to build something that they can't control. We need to build our own tools, parallel tools. It's not about like revolution, or it's not about confrontation. It's about building something for yourself, for your family, for your community, for your friends, that they can use in their everyday life. Let's go to the stack. So right now, stack is on testnet 0.2, and the stack have different technology, different protocols. It's decentralized, private by default, and covering all things and tools that any parallel institution or community needs. So it's communication called Logos messaging, it's records, Logos storage, it's settlement.
Yeah, actually there is an issue with the screen, I think.
Sorry?
I was thinking it was only me, but you have like an issue with your screen. Okay, right now it's okay.
Okay, I think something happened. You maybe not seen previous one, right?
Yeah.
I didn't press that button. Okay, quick recap. So this is Logos, idea, movement, and stack. This is the idea. So if you watch it in records, and we are on stack right now. Okay, so the stack is on testnet 0.2, and communication is Logos messaging, records Logos storage, settlement Logos blockchain, and private computation Logos execution zone. If you so it's something, but I think better, that works like Ethereum smart contracts. So they happen in LEZ, which we call Logos execution zone. So it's programs on chain, and everything is open source and modular and permissionless. Everyone can run blockchain, run messaging nodes, build and run models on their own hardware. So it's all open source and available on our GitHub. Basecamp, the app I will show a bit later, runs locally. It needs no servers, no RPCs, and no limits to use. About the movement. So the movement is about people and about their goals, about their needs, and what connects the stack to the real world. And our communities called Logos Circles, they are independent, they are self-organized groups that take actions around real issues, build skills, practice mutual aid, and pilot parallel institutions. And we have them all around the world. Right now, it's more than 2,000 activists. And if you look on this map, you can see this all these points represent events, the Logos circles, and people meet each other on regular basis, once a week, maybe once bi-weekly, and they come up with so-called winnable issues. It's something that they can solve together, something meaningful and reachable. And this is about Logos circles. So why run a node? Blockchain, as I said before, is a settlement layer. So it's very important for any infrastructure. Have a source of truth. Have infrastructure for transaction. Have something that you can inscribe and refer to. And in Logos, we have Logos blockchain, and it rests on independent nodes. And the more of them, harder it to stop. What makes Logos blockchain different from other blockchains? It's operator privacy. We have a protocol called Blend that disconnects the one who proposes a block from their identity and from their stake. So it's kind of mix type protocol. And an external observer can't link your reward with your identity, with your stake, with your node. And also good difference from other blockchains that it can run on very, very simple hardware. So there's no need for something expensive like ASICs for Bitcoin or GPUs. So basically you can use any kind of old PC, even Raspberry Pi, or VPS if you'd like to. So there is no, so requirements are very low. Yeah. So there is a lot of ways how you can run your node. We have two official. So it's you can run it from Basecamp. It's UI based. If you don't like to tinker with CLI, you can just install Basecamp, install the official blockchain app, add bootstrap nodes from docs, generate config, and the node run as long as the window open. So it works for someone who have a stationary computer connected to the network and a computer that always on, always connected, and you just open the app, you put it into background, and node runs in the background. If you're into CLI and you'd like to run it like headless without display, or you have VPS with terminal, you can run it CLI. And this is the link to docs. Also, this is my way. So beauty of Logos, that anyone can do their own stuff. You can build on top of Logos, and you can experiment, and you can provide more different features, and you can fix and contribute to the network and share it. But as I'm part of the Logos core contributor, I need always to put this kind of stuff. So it's my apps. So it's experimental fork of official blockchain app, and UI works on top of the official blockchain model. But I've added some features. I will show how they work a little bit later. Or an AI agent, like basically it's a set of skills and scripts that AI agent runs, and it downloads the binary, installs to your machine, checks that everything works, and gives you thumbs up. So, okay, you're good. Let's talk about Basecamp. So if you're watching it right now, if you're watching it on the phone, you can get link by scanning this, but you can't install it on the phone. For now, it works only on Linux, Mac, or on the Windows, but with WSL. Or you can go straight to the Logos.io Basecamp and download it. I have browsers somewhere ready for you to show. Yeah, so this is the website. And right here, you have a button, Install Basecamp. And you have options for Linux and for macOS. I have other computer running in the background, and let me log into it. And I will show you how it looks like after you installing it. Yeah, so this is, I think it's a bit distorted. Grab, okay. Looks better. Yeah, so it's my another laptop on Linux running Omarchy, and this is Basecamp. You can see Basecamp here. So in Basecamp, we have some pre-installed, not pre-installed, but like repository that already added. So we call it starter apps, and you can just select what you want and install. So you can see that you have here, it's called Logos. Yeah, Logos Delivery. It's Logos Storage. It's LEZ Explorer. It's blockchain that we will use. This is LEZ Wallet, and this is Chat and Chat Mix, anonymous chat. So these are starter apps that anyone can explore and check. And here you can see this is my apps. So something I added. So, and beauty of Basecamp that there is no permissions, and there is so if you compare with, for example, Apple or Apple App Store or Google Play, when you need to to have this compliance and go through all kind of reviews. So in Basecamp, anyone can install anything they want, but it's very important that you need to check what you're installing, and it's up to you to trust someone and to review their code and to decide if you want to run something or not. So different developers creating different applications, and I will show you another one, and I will show you how much I have. So this is Logos Basecamp that I'm running on this machine, and so you see this David's models, Zaki Bazaar models, Danish Logos apps, Guru models. So this is our ecosystem developers creating their different apps. And to install third-party app, you go to settings, to package repositories, and add a link to the app. Okay, let's go back to nodes. So I already have one of my nodes installed, and this is so-called one-click node. All you need to do is just to press this button, and it will start bootstrapping. But I want to try official one today. So to do it, I go to applications, and I go to blockchain, this one, and press install. It's downloading, and okay, cool. So press launch, and I have this thing, and I need to press generate config, and here it asks me for initial peers. So it's peers that will be used to bootstrap the node, and they should be somewhere in documentation. So to get them, I go to docs, and I press run a node, and somewhere here there should be a list of blockchain UI app, list of the bootstrap nodes. In the Logos blockchain release node, search for testnet bootstrap peers. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I think I need to use these peers. Let me just copy it. It's interesting because I build in my own stuff, and I never checked how this works. So let's check together. Hopefully it will work. I think I need to edit to remove all this stuff around. Okay, this is the one. And then I will show you how it bootstrap. Okay, second one. One more. Okay, now we have the list of the bootstrap node. Also, I need to remove this. And now I create generate config. Press continue and press start node. And process crashed. Okay, let's try my work. Basecamp. So it's all testnet, so sometimes it not works. Yeah. So we see starting. Let me close this one. Okay, it went to bootstrapping, and now you can see blocks appearing. So bootstrap started and not syncing, and it takes around 1 hour to sync. And when it will be synced, I will show you how it will look like. So I have my Basecamp running here on another machine, and it looks like this. So after an hour, you can see that it's online, and you will see that you are staking. To stake, you need to press fund the node and press this request funds, and those funds will be landed on your address, and you'll start proposing blocks. So this is fully synced online node. You can go here and see your proposals. And in operations, there is also leader rewards, and you can see how many you have vouchers and how many submitted. And right now I just cleared it. So, but after it claims, you will get rewards that will land on your node, and you will see change of the balance. So, for example, here in accounts, you can see that these numbers are basically rewards I'm receiving from proposing blocks. So it's about how to run node in Logos Basecamp. Let's get back to my slides. Okay, so yeah, some things to repeat. So there's official app, unofficial community builds, and always don't trust, verify. If you can't read the code, you can always ask your AI agent to review if you are about to install some third-party code. So this is what I already showed you. I call it one-click node, built by me, fork, show blends, balance, proposals, leadership. And to get it, I made a website with stuff I'm doing, and if you will scan it, you will have all links to the models I just showed you, to the apps. This is what I already covered. So this is the way how you can install third-party apps in Basecamp. And let's try to run it with agent. So I will use Cloudy. And let me find where I had this prompt for that. So I have a machine. It's a very simple machine, second-hand one, Ubuntu, 8 GB RAMs, a little SSD, nothing special. To access it, I use Tailscale and SSH just to read the machine. Any agent can do it. Cloudy Code Codex, no matter. And some packages, if you are into development, you may already have them. So it's Git, curl, JQ, MOOCs, Python, cron, Fuse3. And I will show you the repo first. Alicia node agent. Okay, this is it. This is GitHub repo called Node Agent. So what we have here is instructions for the agent to run the node. Point your agent to this repo and get running Logos blockchain node. Clone it into a Linux box, tell your agent Cloud Decoder similar to read agent MD, and it will assess what already there, ask you a few things it can detect, and bring the box to a green Logos node. Plus, I made a self-hosted live dashboard that will allow, even if you run CLI, allow you to see all details, all statistics about your node, and even if you have a phone with Tailscale, you can reach it through the phone, even if you are not at home in your local network. So what I will do, I will get this link, and this is Claude. I call it Claudia. And I will tell it install Logos multiplex. This is
We can't hear you properly, actually. Maybe yes. Okay, no.
sorry?
No, it's because you were away from your mic.
Yeah. It's, I was typing. Install Logos node on Optiplex following guide. Let's see. It reads some stuff, some other stuff, but yeah, okay. Now it reads the node agent, searching for the host. And it takes like around 5-7 minutes, and basically it depends because sometimes it's like super fast, and the same thing sometimes it asks more questions. So while we waiting for an agent to install it, maybe someone can have any questions or any comments on what I already presented, so we can talk on top of it.
Any question from now? Let's
Yeah,
see.
you can ask in chat if you want. Yeah, agent just found the folder. I have a folder there, but not node. Yeah, the moment to run. Yeah, if you will have Rocio, if you will have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anywhere, like on X or in our Discord or in Telegram, whatever you prefer. Searching for backups. Okay. Nice. So this is assessment of the box, or assessment of Tailscale. Model they want to install node config none. So this is what we expect to have. And want me to go ahead? Yes, go ahead. So we recently released new version of the model. Now it's 0.2.3, just yesterday, as I remember. So now it updates it to the latest one. Yeah, thanks, Marina. If you would like to read about latest update, Marina just posted a link in the chat to our Discord with all details. Okay. I once ran the node on my laptop in Windows with SSL saying Kareem. Yeah, laptop is enough. And talking about machines, let's maybe while agent runs, we'll talk about machines. My favorite part. So everything that you see in this terminal happens right here. So my agent SSH to this machine, and I bought it for 100 euros on second-hand market in Spain. And my friend, my peer from Logos, Václav, I asked him if I can share this, because this is so cool. Basically, he found the machine that can run the node for 30 euro. So I'm not sure if it's possible to find something cheaper. But yeah, you need just very simple like office junk machine to run the node. Okay, how it going? Yeah, already green. We have 44 peers, and now it sets up the dashboard. And finding the node. So it asks the faucet for testnet tokens. And they will land very fast. So Bootstrap from the starting to the green takes around an hour, but you can request tokens even before it's online. But balance will be visible only after it's online. So it's important caveat. Yeah, let's wait. I'm interested how much time it took. I think it was like around 4 or 5 minutes already, but now we are on the final step. And at the end, it should give me a link to my local host to locally running dashboard. So it's now verifying the dashboard is actually reachable from this machine over the telnet before I hand you link. Agents love to verify everything. Checking the sync progress, and also even if you would like to use CLI and you have your local agent or your cloud agent, it's super cool. You can just ask how much reward I have or how much vouchers I have. You can just ask your agent, and agent will tell you everything. Yeah, maybe I'll ask. Give me the link. Give me the dashboard. Okay, already green. Cool. Your logos is up and running on Optiplex and updated to 0.3. Node status bootstrapping. Watch it. So this is the link. It's not available to you because it's served through Tailscale, but I can load it and show you. Yeah, 1 second, and that's it. So this is the dashboard I made. Now you can see it's quite empty because it just started bootstrapping. But I have this node running on another machine, and I can show you how it will look like after everything will land. So all bookmarks, and I need my logos node. Yeah, that's it. So this is the dashboard from another machine, from my local host, and you can see that it's online. You can see parameters of the network, its height and slot, and the balance. And this is, I think this amount of testnet tokens I earned. 116 peers, blog proposal. So basically, most of the stuff you can see in Basecamp, you can also see in this local dashboard. Okay. Let's go back to my slides. What else I have for you? I have some last slides for you. So if you go to logos.co on the first screen, you will see that Logos is not for everyone. Logos is for people who are done waiting for permission. And I like this idea very much. So you can just go and build and try things, build on top, break, have fun, research, build something for your community, build something for yourself. And yeah, so you don't need any permission. You don't need to ask anyone. You just go there and do what's meaningful for you. Please join our Discord. We have quite big Discord server with a lot of channels and a very active community that will answer to any question you have about anything around Logos, movement, and technology. And the last slide about me and about Logos as well. Yeah. So website is logos.co, and docs I just show you on docs.logos.co. You can find me on X. All my code is on X Alisher. And in Discord, if you want to DM me, it's Alisher with 3 R's. Thank you. Yep. Questions, feedback, ideas? Then come on.
Maybe let's wait, I would say 2 minutes to see if there is any question or if someone want to talk or write it. So yeah. Thanks a lot. Marina, do you have anything to say? Maybe on what's upcoming or things like this?
Hey, sorry, I got kicked out from the chat. I mean, from the call.
Oh yeah, I was asking if like you have anything to add, like what's coming up, etc. For Logos in terms of programming or things like
I
this.
just wanted to say thank you for everybody who joined us today. Additionally, you can also check out on our website the program for the developers. We have RFPs, we have all prizes to reward those who building with us and who wants to contribute to Logos. I saw there was some question in the chat, now I don't see it, about the map where you can see the distribution of our current operators. I think Alisher, you had the link, no? Like he also built, it's not official from Logos, but yeah, Alisher built one map where you can see the distribution. Alisher, if you want to share the link.
I can't catch up. I can't catch up with all updates. So with every new release, something change. We have some changes in API, some change in how Node work. So it's not updated to the to work with the latest testnet, but I will fix it. Yeah, I have a website, but it's very important to understand that this website shows only nodes that share their location, and a lot of nodes not sharing them because they are behind the NAT, behind the router. And a lot of nodes use VPN. So this distribution is kind of not very representative from my point of view. But yeah, it's cool to have dots on the map.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. Well, and then from upcoming plans, we will be launching new L prizes next week, I believe. That's something to be excited about. And we are planning to be present at Dark Prague. If someone is around, come over to our event. We will be doing lots of activity there. And also at DevCon. We most probably going to be doing there also build the residency. We'll be sharing this with Dev3Pack community as soon as we have things finalized. It will be in Goa 1 week before, 2 weeks before. the DevCon itself. So yeah, follow us to stay updated with latest news on X. Join our Discord, and we share all the information over there. And
I see one more question. From Rosia, is it necessary the node is running all the time? Rosia, it depends on your goal. Right now on testnet, so we have testnet tokens that worth nothing, and we run it just to grow community, to understand how node works, to give us a chance to debug all kind of stuff that happens in blockchain. But if you want to have, like in future on the mainnet, if you want to have rewards, it's better to have node running all the time, because if you when you're not running it, basically you're not proposing blocks, and if you're not proposing blocks, you're not getting this reward leadership vouchers. But if you're just curious about how it works and what you can build, it's okay just to install, explore it, and maybe like wait for the next one. But I really appreciate people running all the time, because this is it gives us understanding of what mainnet could be, and it's very important. I asked you because sometimes the internet is gone. Yeah, LATAM problems. I have the same problems here in Spain. So I live on a farm, and sometimes I don't have an internet at all. Yeah, but it's also very, very important to dog food your own stuff in different conditions. And so right now nodes don't fail, so there's no like big problem if internet is off. But then after you have it again, you will need depends on the gap. So if gap is lower, is less than 10-15 minutes, node just goes online very fast. If gap is like more hours or like days, it will just bootstrap again, and it will take around an hour for the node to replay, reread all blocks, sync, and be online again. Do you recommend to run in a server? It depends. If I have VPS, VPSs are very cheap this time. It's like can be like $8 or $10 euros, whatever per month. But as you saw, you can find like a PC, a stationary machine, for 100 or less, maybe $50-$80 that will do all the same stuff for you from your home. But if you have problems with internet at home, it may make sense to have a server. Or another thing, and I think it's also cool. So if you have a spare machine, and you have like your friends or your relatives that have more stable internet connection, you can just put this machine on their shelf somewhere and reach it through SSH. Cool. Thank you for your questions.
I think I also saw some question before I got kicked out about the blend. I don't know, guys, if you wanna scroll the chat, or maybe if someone wants to repeat this question in the chat. I think it was if it's possible to do through Basecamp, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. Basically, blend. It all happens automatically. You don't need to configure anything. All you need is internet and funded node. So you need to request this testnet funds. And then there's a lot of different kind of blend. There is a core blend, there is a edge blend, but it all blend. And what blend do? It mixes your proposals, and so external observer can link your proposed block and your reward to your identity. Okay, I think I saw one more that I missed. Yeah, about Raspberry Pi. Yeah, it can run on Raspberry Pi, but if you already have it, so it's super cool. And if you don't use Raspberry Pi for something else, yeah, I have some peers, some friends that run Logos Node on Raspberry Pi, but I will not recommend to buy it because it's too expensive for this little piece of something. Because for the same price, you can get decent machine. How to join Blend Core on Basecamp? This is a good question. I will answer honestly. I never seen Blend Core on my nose, so it's only Blend Edge for now. And I have all ports opened, router configured. So I don't know. I don't know how it happens. I know that some people somehow run it, but I need to go deeper into it. So it's not about scripts. I think it's about state of the network and about luck as well. Because to join Blend, there should be some configuration of the network at the start of the epoch that allows you to join the blend. There should be enough of other nodes that run in like certain type of blend. This is how I understand it. But I thank you for the question, Tena. I will go deeper into it. It's in my to-do list, and I will post it somewhere on X or on Discord. And feel free to reach me in DMs, and let's debug it and bring Blend Core to the people.
All right. So looks great. Thanks everyone for coming. For questions, or the recording will be available on YouTube and in our platform too. So yeah, you will find it pretty easily. There's a question.
How about module update? Can you elaborate a bit? What do you mean about module update? What module you're asking about? So core module updated just yesterday. I don't update mine stuff right now. I test it because I don't want to release something that will not work. And on blockchain, it's not so easy. You can't just like test it in 1 minute. You need to have like certain time, certain amount of epoch and blocks to make sure that everything like runs reliably. And I will update it today or maybe tomorrow morning. It's about my own apps that not verified by Logos. Do your own research. Don't trust verified. Logos blockchain model 023. It's already so the node I set up with agent already is 0.23, and on Basecamp all you need is just to go to apps, press reload, and press update, and then it will update to 0.3. Let me know if I answered your questions. Okay, maybe I answered. Thanks.
Okay.
No other questions, right?
Looks fine. So if there is anything, yes, maybe you can drop your Telegram.
Yeah, my Telegram, and I don't use it a lot. Let me. I think my Telegram is. Second, my profile. Yeah, it's Alisher X. Yeah, and I will drop it right now into our chat. Hey Tenna, I see follow up. So as I said, my fork not works with the newest core right now because it's not released yet. My fork is not released to work with the core model, and I need some time to test and debug, and I will release it today or more likely tomorrow. Cool. Thanks. I think we're good for now. Thanks a lot for everyone who joined. Yeah, please reach me in Discord, Telegram, anywhere. I'll be happy to debug with you, to run nodes with you.
Okay. So as I mentioned, the recording will be on the platform and on YouTube, and yeah, we keep an eye on the upcoming activation on your side, especially like around DevCon, sorry, because we will be there. So yeah, all right.
Cool.
Thanks a lot, and have a nice day, everyone. Thanks for coming. Just take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
A very good day.
That's what I was-
Love you. You too. Bye.